Hello all of my beautiful friends and welcome back to Will's Mountain Homestead. My name is Wendy and thank you for joining us today. We are going to continue our series of cleaning out the freezer and we have been a little busy. I have, if you can see behind me, I have already pulled out 2 big bags of turkey bones and we pressure canned that into stock, which will be in a later video. And today we're gonna do chicken thighs. So I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious coconut chicken using thawed out chicken thighs. So let's go. Before I get started making chicken, I wanna show you the awesome deal I got this week. We have a wonderful Amish store that is literally 5 minutes from our house, and each 3-pound bag was only 50 cents. So make sure that you are taking advantage of your local stores that are around you because you might be able to score some good deals. Place your thawed chicken into a bigger stock pot and you are going to add to that 1 can of coconut milk, 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, and 1/2 cup of cider vinegar. So we'll dump this in and then add the rest of the ingredient. We're going to add garlic and I'm going to peel these and chop them up and put them in. And finally we're going to add in 2 bay leaves. Stir this up really well and then turn your stove onto a medium heat until it reaches a boil. Once it has reached a boil, you want to partially cover it. So I have these spoons that hook over the side of the pot, and it is venting out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to let it cook for 25 minutes to a half an hour, come in and then flip the chicken over in that sauce and then cook it for another half hour. We are cooking up angel hair pasta and then we'll top that with our chicken, and then the sauce that is left over, whoo, oh, it's steaming up. And then the sauce in here is going to be our sauce for on our pasta. All right guys, and here is supper. We have angel hair pasta underneath with our chicken, and then all of that delicious sauce goes on top of everything, along with some roasted broccoli. And that is supper for tonight. Moment of truth. How is the pasta and the chicken?
It's really good.
Is it? Oh,
yeah.
Good. All right, so here's the next recipe I have for you. It is a take on corn dogs, but a little bit different. It is called a corndog muffin. So this is made with the Jiffy mix and then hot dogs in the middle. It's a different recipe that I found quite a few years back, but they are delicious and they store well in the fridge to heat up the next day for your kids' lunch too. So let me show you how to make them. To a medium-sized bowl, you're going to add 2 boxes of Jiffy corn mix or whatever off-brand you can find that's cheap. Any brand will work, so we're just going to use 2 boxes of this into the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of milk, 2 eggs, and about 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Then we're just going to mix this up really well. Spray your muffin tins and then get a pack of hot dogs and cut them up into pieces. With your muffin tins filled part of the way up, go ahead and put your hot dogs, stand them up as best you can in the middle of each one. And then you'll come back in and then fill the rest of it up with your muffin mix. And what this will do then, we'll bake this at 400 degrees for 14 to 18 minutes. Okay, and here you have the finished product. They are muffins with hot dogs in the middle of them, or faux corn dogs, however you want to say it. But it's an easy recipe and they heat up really well to put in a thermos for kids' lunches for the next day as well. So enjoy!